Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can download IDM extension into your Google Chrome. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first I will going to search for IDM extension over here. You can see here is IDM extension. If we click on that, you will get a link called Internet Download Manager. Click on the first link called IDM extension is not shown in Chrome extension list. If you click on that, you will get a note over here called please note that all IDM extensions can be found in Google Store are fake and should not be used. So for that reason, you can see over here there is a link, and if you click on that link, you will automatically redirect to IDM integration module extension over here. I am guaranteeing you that there are a lot of IDM extension, fake extensions are in web store. But you can see over here, there has a huge users and also they have a very good ratings. And I'm confirming you that it's a real extension of IDM module. So if you now click on add to Chrome, click on add extension, and you can see over here that your IDM extensions has been installed. You can see over here. So this is how you can download or install IDM extension into your Google Chrome. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in another video. Till then, goodbye.